So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing how you can style and pick Indian wears. Obviously you can tell by my outfit. So let's just start because I have done a lot of sit on videos. मतलब अभी तो दो ही की थी, but still content सुन के our mind gets sleepy. So इसीलिए I just thought let's just bring something related to our culture, our traditions, and for starting fashion I just thought it's a superb video to start with. So let's just start with the video. Styling Indian wear or any traditional clothes are little on a tougher side because we all know mismatching it is easy, like we can wear black and white and stuff like that, but it is quite tough if we compare it to western wear. So first and foremost, while styling and picking Indian wear or any traditional wear is that we have to know that किस चीज के लिए, like which specific sort of function के लिए we are picking and styling that. Secondly, know or create your design, like what sort of design do you want, because obviously you don't want to look like another person, and that what happens that we see each and everyone wearing normal suits that have that square design each and everything, but we, our generation, never wants that we never want, like I personally, if you talk about me, that I seriously don't want that person to look like me or stuff like that. So probably what you need to do is, obviously our minds can be same, but our designs can have a little bit of our taste in that. So what you can do is you can draw or sketch your designs whatsoever you want. Say for example, in this suit I just wanted to have my own taste, my preferences, etc. So I never ever saw that a person having this sort of design in suit, and I just wanted, I just randomly saw this in someone's hoodie and I was like, yes, I can design this in my suit as well. So you can see it's like that I have a ring sort of thing in my suit. Yes, there are rings in lehengas, etc., but not, it's with, I guess it's stitched to chunni sometimes or something like that. So that's the first detail I literally wanted in my suit. This is the only detail which I feel in a lot of suits are not available currently. Also there are few details, say for example this dupatta, it was relatable like this. So yeah, so coming to the point, what you have to do is you can just write it on that on arm you want you want this ring, and you want, say for example girls have these latkan sort of things, so you want this, and each and everything whatsoever you want. So second is that. So इस चीज में third है creating and illustrating it. Illustrating का मतलब कैसे है, that you can proof draw it first. Proof draw simply वही कि आपको ड्रॉ करके रख लेना है जो भी आपको चाहिए. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिंग चाहिए, रिंग कर लो, दुपट्टे में ये सब चाहिए, वो सब चाहिए, वो सब कर लिया. You can do is you can also write your embellishments. Say for example I want mirror work in my, if you are making it, customizing it, that's what I am talking about. I am not talking about all those ready-made things, I don't know about that, but I am just talking about customizing it. Even for on the boys side, if I talk, boys can also have few things. What boys can do is boys can like, say for example they can wear a normal kurta whatsoever they like in whichever color they like, but on, say for example they are wearing a pastel kurta inside, but they can add a basket on it, but they can decide their basket's design, that whether they want embellishments, whether they want florals or whatsoever they want in their baskets, and they can design it cutouts, etc. So you can also in kurta, it's not necessary that you all have to have that basic thing like square thing or that U shape from the bottom, I guess. So yeah, it's not, but I personally suggest if you want to stand it out from all the boys and all the men, you have to just draw and use this Prabhati mind as much as possible so that you can also stand it out from all. Also for the boys, if we talk specifically, that they can also decide their events whatsoever they are going on, it's farewell or it's wedding, etc. जहाँ पे भी they are going, like say for example even if they are going on some puja, etc., or they can also also see like they can do nitpick things. Say for example they can have that Nehru pants which is in trend and a lot of people are wearing, but how you can stand it out is you can see what is suiting you. Say for example it's just warm tones, cold tones वाला thing होता है ना कि आपका अगर warm tone है तो आप पे light color I guess सूट करता है या dark color सूट करता है. अगर आपका cold tone है face का, body का, तो आप पे ये color चीज ज़्यादा सूट करती है. Because yes, it will also be a great thing for all the boys, because that if you will design your own, not designing properly, I don't know how to explain it, just you have to write कि आपको क्या चाहिए, वो पेपर लो और अपने टेलर को दे जाओ. That's the thing that you have to do, so that जो भी बाकी लोग ने डाला है उससे आपका थोड़ा अलग हो. And that's the point in my case, I must say, and people have appreciated me for this thing, that in my traditional wears whatsoever I myself have customized now, I have done with a sari, I have done with this suit, and one more suit I have done. So probably in all those sari and everything, I have seen that people have appreciated me a lot, that how did you got this design, from where did you find that design. Obviously this was one of them, this was seriously one of them that people really liked, and they were like shocked, like oh ये भी हो सकता था. Yes, so that's the thing I also want, that you people also should start doing, that people may ask you and you are a proud teller that yes it's my own mind which has decided it. So customizing it prior is way better than just procrastinating it कि कल बना लेंगे परसों बना लेंगे, क्योंकि इट इज़ मोर ऑफ अ टास्क जब लास्ट तक आता है, क्योंकि एक ना एक चीज़ रह जाती है. व्हेन यू कस्टमाइज थिंग इट इज़ अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क, डेफिनेटली इट इज़ अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क, क्योंकि एट लास्ट द रिजल्ट इज गुड है ना. ऑब्वियसली फॉर दैट यू हैव टू डू मोर ऑफ हार्ड वर्क देन जस्ट बाइंग रेडीमेड. Yes, it is the truth that we, our generation, wear very less of our traditional clothes. So because of that, you don't need to invest so much in accessories. Say for example, buy silver, golden and copper. 3 colors in accessories, in footwears. That is it for accessorization, I believe, because in every traditional wear we have that silver thing. Say for example it has silver thing and it has black metal I guess, so it goes with black as well and silver as well. So like that you also can decide. Boys can have that watches, or traditionally I don't know what accessories boys wear, but I seriously don't know. Else these sort of accessories you can surely invest in, because traditional wears अगर बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पहना, बहुत ज़्यादा खरीद कर भी क्या करोगे. It's just a little better if you invest in good goldens, good silvers and good coppers. So probably this was it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you will at least take a one thing from this video. So yeah, it's just that, as well as I just randomly thought यार कि it's just good कि अगर मैं अपने पहले ट्रेडिशनल से स्टार्ट करूँ. I have planned few videos, so उसमें मैंने ये सोचा कि it's just good. Hope you all might be enjoying this series sort of thing, but probably it's series, but yeah, it's just step by step of all the things which can lead you to having a good fashion sense as per me. It's just helping you out with that. Stayed if you were watching till now. So thank you for that, means a lot. Also you can tell me your views या फिर कोई भी video you all want related to fashion probably that you all really want. So I'll be showing in this video as well. So thank you for watching and goodbye.